Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to use the roundup and rounddown function. So shift and down, I'll just delete all this. So if I wanted to round up all the time, even if it says 1408 here, instead of doing equals round, I would add up and parentheses, what value, how many digits I want to round. Close parentheses, and then it rounds anything that has a decimal place up to the nearest dollar. So 1408 we can see rounded up to 15. On the other hand, you can also do the round down. Which is same concept. Type in equals round down, parentheses the number, and how many digits you want it to round to. Close the parentheses, hit enter, then copy it down, and you can see 1408 rounded down to 14, while 5360 rounded down to 53. So that's how you use the round up and down function in Excel. Thank you for watching.